In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for Beginners tutorial. Let's start on the Replit homepage. Once you're there, look for the app area on the dashboard. If you see a highlighted prompt or button guiding you, go ahead and click it. Next, open the app Workspace and switch to the design view. This view is great for quickly shaping your project before you dive into code. If you land back in the main app area, that's fine. Use it to access your project configuration options. Now, open the App Type menu. This is where you choose what you're about to build. First, select Web App. You may notice the interface confirming or previewing that selection. If you click it a few times or see the option repeated, don't worry. That simply ensures the template is active and ready. Take a moment to explore the other types too. Switch to Mobile App to prepare layouts with small screens in mind. Try Data App if your focus is dashboards, visualizations, or data-centric tools. Look at 3D Game if you want a template oriented toward interactive graphics. There's also agents and automations for workflow style or AI-driven tasks, and a general template if you want a clean, flexible starting point. Toggling through these options helps you see how each template changes the starting structure. When you decide which one fits your goal, keep that selection active. From here, choose Import Code or Design if you're bringing in something you've already created elsewhere. Otherwise, proceed with Create App to start fresh using the template you selected. You'll be prompted to enter details. Type in the name or highlight field shown to label your new app clearly so it's easy to find later. When everything looks good, click Start to create the project. After the project opens, locate your new app in your workspace or recent items and open it. In the editor, look for the Publish control. Click Publish, and if you see a confirmation or a second Publish button, click it again to proceed. A final prompt may appear titled Publish your app. Confirm it to push your app live. If there are optional fields like description or visibility, you can keep default values and update them later once you've tested your app. That's it. You navigated the home page, chose a template, created your app, and published it. Replit saves as you go, so feel free to iterate quickly. If you ever want to revisit your app type or design choices, return to the design view and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and